in the building! Look at this. We are doing the monopolies. We are ripping them. They were on sale, okay? We picked up dozens to hundreds of these boxes, okay? We are gonna rip into our heart's content until we pass go. We are going to jail. All right, so let's get into this. We are going to rip. I have recently just opened a fresh box of this shit. See, it's empty. We are down to the last pack. And this one's for Chukwuemeka, and this is his pack, and if he does well, we all do well. All right. Gonna keep it chill. Can you hit me with some soundboards? Oh. Got anything else in there? Ooh. Okay. So, right off the bat, we got a Charles Barkley. Okay, no number. Ooh, exciting. Duh, Jared McKean. Okay, this is a Sixers, I guess. Ooh, and the legend AI. Okay, and that is about get out of here, Victor Wembanyama. He is. It looks. Oh, go ahead. Ooh, it looks like the Monopoly Man is here, okay? And this is for Legion 4962, and I will be shipping this out ASAP, baby. And we brought some talent to sing our way out of this one.
Come on, let's play Monopoly. Come on, let's play Monopoly.
Yeah!